Okay, good morning and welcome to Mishna Yomi. We're learning Masach Sheviis, Perek Gimel, Mishnayos, Hey and Vav, 5 and 6. We have a great share for you today. And in Iyun Mishnayos, we're going to learn about the concept of Maras Ayin. Furthermore, dissect it. What exactly does it mean? It'll astound you my Chiddush, what exactly it means. Let's start with Mishnah Hey. Lo yiftach adam machsev. You're not supposed to, like we mentioned, there's a problem Maras Ayin over here of doing work. Look like you're doing work on Sheviis. Let's say you have a lot of rocks in your field. You want to take them out of your field because you want to use them to build with, right? You can't clear your field of these stones because it looks like you're clearing them to make land available to grow crops. Unless it's very discernible that you're doing it for building. For example, you have 27 rocks there. Each rock is basically an amma by an amma. So you have, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? So you have 9 rocks in a row. Each of them is an amma by amma with a height of 3 ammas. So therefore, you have not only you have 9 of them, and then you have next to it another 9 of them, another group of that, and you have another group of next to that. It looks basically like they're set up nicely in nice rows over there, nice big rows over there. People are assuming the reason you stack them that way is because you want to build with them, not because you want to clear out your field. Vav. Let's say you have a fence, right? Some people build a fence out of stones, right? So now you decide, I want to take that fence, I want to remove it and use it to build somewhere else. So if it has 10 stones in that fence that are so heavy, each stone needs to be carried by 2 people, you can take all the stones because people know that originally you're taking it, you're not doing it to clear it. It's excessive exertion over here. So if you want to take it away, you need 2 people to take each of the stones. People know you're not doing it to clear out your field. They're doing it, and they're also very big. They're big stones. You're going to use it for building something else. Therefore, they'll know you're building something else. It doesn't look like to the public like you're doing it just to clear out the space. Shir Gader Asar Tfachim. In order to be considered a Gader, that you have this out there, it has to be 10 Tfachim long. If your fence is less, your wall is less than 10 Tfachim long, so then you have to leave. You can't clear out the entire land. You can take all the rocks on top, but you have to leave a tefach on the bottom where there's still rocks. So people won't think that you're uncovering the land to plant there. This only applies, these laws, when you're clearing rocks out of your own field. You're clearing out of your friend's land. Whatever you want to do, you could do. Whatever rocks you want to take out, because eventually people will find out it's not your field. Again, there's another hat there. This is only talking about clearing out rocks when you started clearing the rocks during Shemitah year. If you started clearing the rocks before Shemitah, you can take whatever you want. There's no restrictions on having 27 rocks or clearing 10 rocks from a fence. All these halachas wouldn't apply. Stay tuned for Iyun Mishnayos. We discuss these halachas in depth and discover the underlying reason behind Maras Ayin. It's going to astound you. Bye.